Hi, everyone. My name is Mekka, and I'm the GM for apps for Google Play. And it's truly my honor to be on stage here today to share with you all the ways that our teams have been working together to support your success. Everyone at Google Play is passionate about building experiences for users around the world that they will love, and passionate about supporting developers like you as you bring your dreams to life and build experiences for all of our shared customers. Your partnership is essential to us for being able to complete our mission. So I want to thank each and every one of you for all the help you've provided to us over the years in making Google Play what it is today. We want to continue that partnership with you, building the tools and services that you need to build successful, strong businesses. But we also know that different businesses in different categories have different needs. So we're going to be sharing a little bit about how we're focusing on different business verticals like games, media and entertainment, and retail shopping. So in today's talk, we're going to talk a little bit about that vertical experience and what that means for app developers, including expanding your app's reach so that you can reach all of the customers that you need to be successful. We're also going to talk a little bit about how we're thinking about games as a vertical so that we can develop strong, engaged populations of gamers. Afterwards, Yafit and Hareesh are going to dive a little bit deeper into how we can support you across the entire app lifecycle, from reinforcing user trust by building secure, high-quality experiences, to driving user acquisition and engagement, to the most important part, optimizing your revenue for global growth. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're focused on giving you the tools that you need to grow your business and expand your reach. So we've heard your feedback on needing more ways to drive deeper engagement and re-engagement to the amazing content that you have within your apps. So over the past year, we've been evolving the Play Store to be more content forward, giving your app's most exciting features the primetime space that they deserve. This new visually driven design makes it easier than ever for users to discover the incredible experiences for the content within your apps. Our core mission is to connect the right audience to the right content at the right time. We do this on the Play Store, but now we're expanding that to a new surface beyond the Play Store. So we'll be showing a little bit about that today. This new surface will automatically organize the best and most relevant content from across apps already installed by users on their Android phone. And it enables cross-app continuation journeys for nearly every app category. With just a tap, users can launch full-screen, immersive experiences that highlight and arrange the most important content from their installed apps. From there, they can deep link directly into your apps to complete their journey, to enjoy your content, or to complete a purchase. This new surface helps users jump back into entertainment, to continue their browsing sessions, to reorder their favorites, and to jump back into other app actions, whatever you can think of. And you can showcase personalized recommendations and promotions, ensuring that users discover content they might otherwise have missed. For users that haven't installed your app yet, we will use this surface to recommend that they install your app, using the most compelling content from within your apps. We're kicking off a developer preview of this experience today, with the consumer experience coming later this year. To unlock all these benefits, you'll need to integrate with the Engage SDK. Engage is a client-side integration that leverages on-device APIs. Your content is presented on the new experience on device. Most developers who have done this complete the entire integration in under a week. More than 35 top apps have already joined us, with more hopping on board, including Spotify, Uber Eats, Audible, and Reddit. And there's still time for you to get in too. The Engage SDK is a complete game changer for content discovery and engagement. You can learn more and express interest in joining our developer preview by following the link on screen here. And the new on-device surface is only the beginning. I'm so excited to see what you all will build with this. So next, let's talk a little bit about games and ways that we're upgrading the Play Store for game developers. We're here to help gamers find, enjoy, and continue returning to their favorite games, empowering developers like you to achieve more throughout the game lifecycle. We want Google Play to be the best destination for all gamers, from casual games to immersive MMORPGs. First, we're helping you maximize your reach by making it easier to scale games across mobile, tablets, Chromebooks, and Windows PCs. We've expanded Google Play Games on PC to more than 140 markets, with a catalog of over 3,000 games. And now that native PC publishing is available, it's even easier for you to reach a larger audience. It's also easy to integrate Google Play Game Services, which connects your gamer's identity, progress, and achievements on Play across all of their devices. With our new support for first and third-party identity systems, you won't need to make database changes or adjust your sign-in flows to get the benefits of Play Game Services. Second, we're boosting gamer engagement by showcasing content from within your games on our upgraded store listing pages. For certain titles, gamers can now view YouTube videos, AI-generated FAQs, expert tips, and more, ensuring your biggest fans can stay connected with your games. And finally, we're driving retention by rewarding gamers with engaging with their favorite games, with cool milestones, exclusive items, and perks. Developers can directly access our most engaged, most active gamers through Play Points, our rewards program, or Play Pass, the broadest apps and games subscription service offered by Play. With Play Points, you can build excitement and engagement by offering our 220 million members coupons, discounts, and even exclusive or limited quantity items to keep your gamers coming back for more. And now you can use the improved performance reporting in Play Console to optimize your promotions or to tap into new markets. Play Pass gives subscribers access to over 1,000 premium games and apps with no ads. Since last year, our subscriber base has grown 120%. And now, Play Pass also includes exclusive in-game items and discounts from popular games such as EA Sports FC Mobile and Roblox. For games developers, this is a great way to quickly access new revenue streams on Play. To learn more about these updates, go to this link for a full recap of our Game Developer Summit announcements. And with that, I'd like to welcome Yafit to the stage to talk about our commitment for all verticals, reinforcing user trust with high quality and secure experiences. Thank you.
Thanks, Mekka. Quality and security are at the heart of Google Play, and I'm excited to share some big updates in these areas we've made this year. Let's start with SDKs. Third-party SDKs provide many benefits for app developers, but they can also impact apps in ways that aren't always easy to identify and control. Over the past few years, we've been working on tools and solutions dedicated to SDKs to help make them better and safer to use for apps and users. In 2021, we launched SDK Console, a platform for SDK owners to register and manage their SDKs on Google Play. SDK Console gives SDK owners access to usage statistics, anonymized crash and ANR reporting, and allows them to communicate directly with app developers through Play Console and Android Studio. It lets SDK owners flag SDK versions that have quality or security issues so that app developers know to avoid them. Recently, we started allowing app developers to share full crash reports with SDK owners directly from Play Console. And in turn, SDK owners can give guidance on how to fix these issues, which we will then show to app developers in Play Console as well as Android Studio. Last but not least, app developers will also get email warnings and persistent alerts on the policy status page when using non-policy compliant SDK versions. Until now, SDK Console was an invite-only product, limited to widely used SDKs in a few business categories. Over 120 of the most popular SDKs in these categories now use SDK Console regularly to improve their quality and security of their SDKs. I'm happy to announce that as of today, we are opening SDK Console to any SDK that wishes to participate, as long as it's distributed from a single source that we can verify. This update includes open source SDKs and smaller SDKs that we weren't able to support before. We encourage all SDK owners to register their SDK on SDK Console using the link shown here and start taking advantage of its powerful feature set. SDK Console helps us support developers with proactive policy and security guidance. Our new pre-review checks, which I'm going to talk about next, are designed to help prevent unintended policy violations even before the app goes live. It brings together existing policy and new compatibility checks under one UI, allowing you to spot issues and get critical feedback early in the publishing lifecycle. Plus, to make the release process less stressful, you can now discard any saved releases before they're sent for review. This means you can change your mind about a release even at the last minute. While many users will automatically get updated to your latest version, not everyone makes the switch right away. To help users with limited Wi-Fi access enjoy your latest features and security updates, Google Play is now globally updating apps over mobile data. We're mindful of mobile data budgets and will only activate this feature where appropriate. And of course, users can always choose to opt out of it. In addition, if you have users on old, no longer supported app versions, you can now ask Play to prompt those users to update. No prior integration or code changes are required. Simply go to Play Console and choose the versions you like to move your users off of. The next time a user on these older versions open the app, they will see an in-app prompt asking them to update to your latest app version. Having users on your latest version helps keep them up to date with your recent security fixes and SDK updates. The Play Integrity API helps with keeping your app secure by checking that your app is unmodified and installed by Google Play on a genuine Android device. This will help prevent attacks, abuse, unauthorized access, and other problems. Developers using the Play Integrity API features see 80% less unauthorized use compared to unprotected apps. Let's look at 3 new features of the Play Integrity API that helps defend against new security threats. The first one is app access risk, now launching to public beta. It lets your app know if there is another app running that could be capturing the screen or controlling the device. Since we know that these features are important for accessibility users, we've designed it so the genuine accessibility apps won't trigger this verdict. Second, you can now receive a Play Protect verdict in your API response. This lets you know if Play Protect is turned on and whether it has found any known malware on the device. And finally, we launched recent device activity so that you can detect and respond to devices that make a high volume of requests, which could be a sign of automated traffic or an attack. For more information about protecting your app, check out the online session, Safeguarding User Security on Android. Building a secure app helps reinforce user trust and improve retention. But to successfully grow your app business, you will want to reach the right audience. That's why we continuously invest in tools that help you connect with the users that are most likely to enjoy your app, engaging them, read the right messages at the right time. Your store listing is often the first chance to make a good impression and acquire new users. Custom store listings help you maximize relevance and conversions with up to 50 variations. You can customize each listing with different icons, descriptions, screenshots, videos, and more. Tailored for different audience segments based on country, deep links, ad campaigns, and more. Today, we are taking custom store listings to the next level with the ability to create listings based on what users are actually searching for. Tailoring your store listing by search keyword would not only make it more relevant, but it can also help with targeting the users who are actively seeking the benefits your app provides. Plus, Google Play will proactively suggest keywords when setting up your listings in Play Console, which can speed up your listing creation and increase its impact. And if you need help with tailoring the messaging, you can generate suggested descriptions with Gemini models to help you get started. We are also making store listing more relevant to users on watches, Chromebooks, cars, and more. Now, your listing will display screenshots, as well as rating and reviews specific to each form factor, helping users on different devices get a better sense of the app experience that they can expect. Adding details specific to each device type will also make your app more discoverable for users who search by device type or explore a new page dedicated to other devices. Now that we've talked about ways to optimize your content for discovery and acquisitions, let's talk about deep links, which are a great way to increase engagement by users that already have your app installed. Deep links drive users directly to relevant experience within your app, such as a specific product or a service page, rather than sending them to the app homepage. The deep links page in Play Console is a great resource for improving your deep link setup and measuring its impact. Many of you have already used the tools on this page to improve the coverage and quality of your deep links. In fact, over 20% of all deep links currently active on Android were added or fixed using the deep links page in Play Console. Now we are making it even easier to manage deep links with deep links patching. Patching allows you to make changes to your deep links without needing to publish a new app release. It's also a great way to experiment with deep links, as patches don't carry over to future releases and only affect the app versions you choose. Use patching to make as many edits as you need all at once, such as adding new deep links, removing existing ones, or changing domains. Once the changes are made, you can easily preview them or download the test version to try locally on your device. If everything works as expected, simply push the patch version live and let Google Play deliver the changes to your user devices. We hope that patching will empower you to experiment with deep links and make those time-sensitive changes without being bound to your app release timelines. Now that you've engaged your user base, the next natural step is monetization. And with that, I would like to bring in Hareesh to share the latest and how we are helping you optimize your revenue.
Thank you, Yafit. Google Play Commerce has been designed with the global monetization of your business in mind, helping you build seamless and secure monetized app experiences for your customers all across the world. Today, I'm excited to announce a few major enhancements to our commerce platform. I think, from expanding your global access to customers to optimizing your pricing and your customers' purchase experience. With over 2.5 billion users over 190 plus markets, Google Play gives you access to a wide audience. This year, we are focused on improving your ability to reach your customers in all these markets by making it easier for them to make secure and seamless purchases. To do that, we are continuing to expand our extensive payment method library, which includes traditional payment methods like credit cards and also through over 300 local payment methods in 65 plus markets. For example, we've enabled Pix in Brazil, and we have also enhanced support for UPI in India to streamline subscriptions, allowing you to access hundreds and millions of users with their preferred payment method in these markets. Offering users their preferred payment method is just one of the many ways that we are improving your access to new customers. We are also extending the ability for users to make purchases on behalf of someone else, like paying for a family member or gifting an in-app purchase to a friend. Android users with a Google Family setup have already been able to complete purchase requests for apps or in-app items made by family members. Now, we have expanded the ability for family managers to complete a purchase for a child account via a web link on non-Android devices using any payment method that's there in their Google Payments profile, including gift cards. But we are taking this even further. So, starting in India, users can ask a friend or family member outside of their Google Family setup to complete a purchase on their behalf by sharing a payment link via their preferred text messaging service or email. This is a fantastic way to give a gift or pay on behalf of a relative or a friend. And as we gather feedback, we will be making further refinements and expanding to new markets. But please do note that you do have to upgrade to Play Billing Library 6 or newer in order to enable this in your app. And finally, we have doubled down on our efforts to make purchases seamless, convenient, and secure by proactively encouraging users to set up their payment preferences. We have been enabling customers to set up payments even before they make their first purchase in your app. And we are constantly reminding them that they can use payment methods that they have saved in their Google Payments profile through other Google services like Chrome. We have also rolled out more improvements to purchase verifications based on local preferences. For example, in Korea, we have launched passwordless authentication. That is, users in these regions can use PIN or biometric to complete their purchases. Through continuous efforts like this, we are seeing direct results and tangible benefits to the entire ecosystem. The total number of checkout users who have been enabled for a fast and a secure checkout increased by more than 25% year over year. And this has also helped improve the overall checkout performance rate. That is, the number of successful purchases after the user has expressed intent to buy. This has increased 12% year over year. And as we continue our investments and our efforts in this space, we expect to see even more growth. Next, we have made enhancements to fine-tune your global pricing strategy and customer purchase experience. First, we are proactively helping you optimize prices for the local purchasing power. We now automatically update your price ranges to reflect the currency fluctuations against US dollar. And you will see an inbox notification at any time we recommend a price adjustment of your in-app products. This ensures not only that you remain competitive in all markets, but also helps protect your app against price arbitrage exploitation. We have also increased your pricing flexibility with the ability to price your products as high as $9.99 US dollars or local equivalent. This opens up a whole new price point and allows you to optimize for customers who are willing to pay for that ultra premium experience. And because an optimized price only matters if somebody completes the purchase, we have made a few improvements to the purchase journey. We have expanded the use of badges, which can encourage customers to complete a purchase by showing how products are trending. This means, in addition to the bestseller badge, you will see additional new badges such as trending, popular, and best-selling to help guide their purchases. For users considering a long-term subscription, such as an annual plan, you can now offer the ability to pay over time with installment subscriptions. This allows customers who may have been deterred by high upfront costs to make monthly payments instead. Installment subscriptions increase your reach and also the lifetime value of your subscriptions while allowing your subscribers greater pricing flexibility, payment flexibility. And in our early access program, the total subscription signups increased by more than 8% when installments was offered. And we also saw that there was an increase in spend by more than 4%. And finally, to take advantage of the full power of our commerce platform, including all the new tools and the features that we have announced today, we highly recommend that you upgrade to Play Billing Library 7.0, which will be available later this month. And as a reminder, we will continue to support each major version of Billing Library for 2 years. Starting this year, we are also aligning the Billing Library's deprecation timelines to Google Play's standard policy effective dates, making it easier for you to track of the changes that you need to make and upgrade as you prepare for the next version of Android. This means that the support for version 5 will end in August 2024, and you will need to upgrade before you can publish any new versions of your apps. And that's just the start of what Google Play Commerce can do for your business. To learn more, watch our session, Scale and Optimize Your Business with Google Play, where we talk about what we do behind the scenes to help support your growth and help you navigate the complexities of a global business. And that's a wrap from the latest from Google Play. We have covered our vertical approach with a goal to better support the specific needs of both apps and games. We have introduced new features empowering you throughout your app's lifecycle, that is, from reinforcing trust with high quality and secure experiences, to driving acquisitions and engagement, to optimizing revenue. We hope this session provided you with a deeper understanding of how we aim to support your business growth. Thank you for your partnership, and thank you for joining us today.